Morning everybody, this is Fred with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our Red on Red 87 Chevy short wide. New paint, all new trim, new tires and wheels, 15x8 rallies. It's a factory 5.7 350 truck, factory overdrive truck, power steering, power disc brakes, cruise control, power windows, power locks, ice cold AC. Every single thing works. The truck runs and drives beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has a nice cowl head on it. Original bumper is super straight. No rust ever. Spray and bed liner only on the bed floor. Everything else has been painted and looks great. Truck starts easy and runs good. Dash cap on the dash, new headliner, new seat cover, new carpeting, tilt wheel, cruise control works. Showing 67,000 miles. I know that's over 100, and I know the engine and transmission have been rebuilt. It's got an Alpine amp in it, CD player, Bluetooth as well, dual tanks, all new trim, and I mean it's laser straight all the way down, just like a brand new truck. Factory jack and instructions are here. Original motor that's been rebuilt. The AC is ice cold. Throttle body fuel injection. Factory red on red. Fly in, drive it home. It's an absolutely awesome truck. Original build sheets in place. Just super clean all the way around. Windows work great. Brand new radial tires. All new trim, brand new rear bumper, really nice rear tailgate band, got the fuel injection emblem. Just a super nice truck, dark tinted windows. Check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed and awesome day.